Hello everyone. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 18th, 2022. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku with 2 stars, with 3 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles in this additional, and half of them I will solve. And those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. But first I will do is the Sudoku with 3 stars. Sudoku with 3 stars, number 4570. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 2 fours. We have here 3 fives. 1 6. 3 sevens. 3 eights. And 3 nines. Okay. Divided, yes. So it will be difficult. Not a digit with in majority. Okay. 3 3. Okay. Let me scan. 1 1. 6 6. No. 7. 5 5. 8 8. The 2 in the last column. The 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 9. Okay. 9 9. We have a pair. The 9 and the 7 in this row. The 9 and the 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. Okay. So 4 missing numbers now in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3. I cannot continue with the 3 now. So 7 7. Okay. Right. 5. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column and next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And all the 5s are used. Missing the 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the last row, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Now I can continue with the 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Now I can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. All right. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column X. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Now I can count, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. All right. How about? 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this column. Well, we see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in that box. So the 2 could be here, here, or there. Well, we see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. All right. And now, how about these 2 numbers? Missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. 2 boxes left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Wow, 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 wow. 4 and a 6. Then. Let me see. 4, 6, and 8. 4, 8, 6. I'm scanning. 6, 8, and then 9. Come on. 2, 8, and a 4. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6 and a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 6. And that box should be a 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this third row. 4 numbers, 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here, 4, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. Oh, apologies, I bumped the camera again. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Okay. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Two boxes left in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes, and there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, I believe the same numbers, 6 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other 2 puzzles left. The binary puzzle and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.